Hi, it's Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, and very exciting news here. The 2021 calendars have arrived, and a bit nerve-wracking. I had to get these printed in South Dakota, of all places, this year, but always in the United States. But the deal was I could only get a digital proof, so I was very anxious to get my hands on these. Well, they came out as well as I expected and hoped they would. They came out really nice. This is the biggest production I've ever done. Full 12 by 12 photographs, nice big letters down here with all the holidays marked. So great gift, right? Great gift for yourself. Good thing to hang over the bench, maybe put it in the man cave, garage, anywhere you work with your hands. Now, for those of you guys who might be interested in more, but wait, there's more. I also put together a bundle. And what's in the bundle? Well, first you're going to get this really cool decimal equivalent chart that I restored about a year ago. The second thing you're going to get is a really nice 24 by 36 vintage mechanical drawing that was done by my mentor back in the 70s. The next thing you're going to get is a Lufkin Tools catalog from 1947, an exploded view, skeleton view of a set of Otta 1 micrometers. And finally, you're going to get the complete package of tool drawings I have available. These are vintage tools and drawings that I built when I was an apprentice. And that's a nice package to have. So, of course, included with the bundle is the calendar. So you'll save about $40 by doing the bundle. I've only got 25 bundles to sell. I didn't know how many I'd sell, so that's the supply, all right? So if you're interested, please check everything out at thetoolanddieguy.com. Other than that, I hope you have a blessed holiday season and Merry Christmas to you. So I'm Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, thetoolanddieguy.com. It's all over there.